So in this video, I'm going to guide you through on how to add voiceover on CapCut PC. Voiceover is a recorded narration or spoken explanation added to the project to guide the audience and explain what is happening on the screen. First thing you need to do is to open your CapCut on your PC. Now go ahead and import your project to CapCut. Let's say this is the project I want to add voiceover on. Click on the project to move it to the timeline. Now look at the toolbars. You see an icon that looks like a microphone. Click on it. That's where you will add your voiceover from. Now go ahead to add your mic transmitter to your PC. Go ahead and select the mic that you have added from this input device. And also you can increase and reduce the volume from this volume section. So once that is done, you can also turn off echoes coming from your project, and also you can mute your project so that the sound coming from your project doesn't affect your voiceover. Now go ahead and click on the red button, so after the count, to start recording your voiceover. So you can go ahead and say whatever you want to say on your voiceover. So you can see from here it's recording already. So once you are done recording, just go back and click on the red button and it will stop. So from here, you can actually trim your voiceover, you can adjust it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. So if you find value in this video, do it to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on valuable videos like this. See you in my next video.